As you can see right here, this is $50 I got paid from JCRN site that I explained in my previous video. So a lot of people have been telling me in the comment section that I should make a video when I got paid from this website. So this means making a video to show you that this website is actually paying. As you can see, this is $50 payment I received from them. All right. So they don't used to make payment in the weekends. So I placed the withdrawal on Saturday, which is which was 12th of July. Then I got paid yesterday, right? Which was 15th of July. So and this is to show you that JCRN site is actually paying. All right. So if you need more info on this website, you can refer to the previous video. I'm actually going to tag the video so that you can watch, you can see how to sign up and go through about the update. So this update is actually paying. So and this is to show you guys, those of you that you are asking me in the comment section that I should make a video when I get paid from this website. So so and if you need more update, you can consider joining our Telegram channel. So I used to drop paying updates on our Telegram channel before making a video and upload on YouTube. All right. So I'm going to drop the link to my Telegram channel in the description box below, so that if you have interest in joining our Telegram channel, you can kindly tap on the link and it will take you to our Telegram channel. And if this is your first time coming across my video, my name is Olatek and I create video on how to make free money online. I create video on Fiverr skills, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, updates, airdrops, testnets, testnets, airdrops, right? Telegram bots, and more. So if you are interested in seeing videos on how to make free money online, or on how to navigate through all these skills, and consider subscribing my channel, turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop helpful content like this on how to make free money online, you are going to be notified by YouTube. All right, bye for now.